be free. I was born to be free.
Guys, good morning, everybody. How y'all doing?
Not the type to run away from my fears.
Good morning. Happy Monday. Listen, I gotta tell you something real quick. I gotta tell you guys something real quick. I'm tired of being humble, man. I am tired of being humble. Tired. Enough of it.
Welcome to my jungle. I'm tired of being humble. Welcome to my jungle. Welcome to my jungle. Let go.
All right, y'all. Good morning, man. Good morning. Good morning. I just had to say that, guys. I'm so tired of being humble, man. I'm like, I don't know, when you're a sniper and you're so humble all the time. All right, man. All jokes aside, let's get the show rolling. Let me just say some quick shout outs real quick. I can't see that name, man. Whoever said that, I'm sorry. I can't see it. My poll is in the way. I need to figure out why. Anyways, good morning, David Lambo. Good morning, Garab. Good morning, Marco. I'm sorry, guys. I gotta take these shades off. It ain't that kind of party. Listen, guys, we are pumping right now. And we're going to talk about it. And we're going to talk about how I told y'all that Ethereum was going to pump. If you've seen the video from yesterday, then you're ahead of the game. Guys, how do I sound right now? Do I sound good? Is the music a good volume? Anyways, I'm gonna keep going. Good morning, God. Good morning, Iggy's Dinner. Good morning, Drew. Hoser, my dog. Good morning. Young Hao, good morning. Drew, good morning. I think I said that already. Pi Xion, good morning. God, I already said good morning. Good morning again. Race to Ace, good morning. Zeus, good morning. AW, good morning. Dis, good morning. Oh, bro, Miami's my spot, G. Y'all already know Miami's my spot. Buenos dias. Good morning, brother. How are you, sir? Someone said good afternoon. I don't want to single you out. There we go. Zeus, good afternoon. My apologies, Mr. Zeus. Guys, how do I sound right now? Do I sound good? Sound is okay. Is the volume a good level? Is the music a good level also? Hoser, this is where I need you to tap in for me, bruv. Yes, sir. Music good. Mic is good. All right, guys. Beautiful. Guys, I hope you guys had a good weekend, man. I had a really good weekend. For the first time in a long time, I was kind of just chilling. You know, I did some work. I bought some suits. Perhaps next stream I'll come out looking big pimpin'. But, yo, we got quite a bit to talk about. But before we do, guys, shouts out to everybody that's from the Discord. I appreciate y'all. If you haven't already liked the stream, make sure you hit the like button. We got a lot. Okay, a lot to talk about right now. And my current Bitcoin long that I gave in advance in the VIP. Somewhere. I give a lot in the VIP, guys. It's somewhere in there. You guys can join for free. You know, you already know. You already know how it is. You already know. I don't need to explain it again. You already know. Up 209% on the bottom left of your screen right now. Or bottom right of your screen, actually. You can see that. So we're chilling. We're chilling. We're in the longs. Let's talk about the longs, guys. Normally I go over the narrative. Macroly. And we kind of neglect my baby 5-minute time frame. So let's come into the 5. Guys, look at this, man. I mean, after we hit the low, which I said, and we drew this bot, like, okay, obviously we front ran it a little bit. Fine, we front ran it. I mean, come on. Like $20, $15. Guys, we've been nailing the entries. Anyways, we're going to talk about a lot of alts today. So please, if you may, leave some alts in the description down below so that I can go over. But let's talk about BTC real quick on the 5. And then we'll move over to the alts, guys. First thing is first. Let me decrease the volume because it's kind of in my ear. Okay. Hope everybody had a good weekend. All right, listen. 5-minute time frame. Actually, when the music's up, I start screaming, which is probably better content for y'all. So I think I'm going to keep it. Okay, enough about me. Let's talk BTC, boy. All right. So, obviously, we know we've been ranging. Nothing new. If you've watched the videos, you know this. We're going to get rid of this box. It's irrelevant now, okay? We're in our range. Nothing crazy. Where's my range, actually? Let me get my range up. Oh, I got to clean this up, man. I got to clean this up, guys. I had so much work to do over the weekend. It is insane. And hopefully, I got exciting news for y'all coming soon. So, stay tuned for that. But listen. This SFP was taken out. Cool. This one was not taken out. Volume profile. We're at the value area high right now. We'll come back to that. But listen. Is this SFP going to hold? Is this SFP going to hold? Hoser, I am 100% doing Soul. And I'm going to take your crown for the King of Soul. Because I keep not focusing on it. And look at what happens, bro. Like, we longed Soul at 19. Like 3 weeks ago, man. Imagine we held that, bro. Soul is just insane. And I keep saying I'm going to pay attention to it, and I don't. I'm stupid. I need you to keep me in check. And every day, Gio, where's Soul at? Okay. So we came. What's happening right now? Immediate short term. Let's get rid of the value. We're at value area high. We know that, okay? We can get rid of that. Boring. We know this. That's easy. Oh, what did I just unhide? No, not that. Hide this. Hide this. Goodbye, value area. We already know. We already know. And if you don't know, go watch the videos, man. Go watch the past streams. Go watch my videos. Do some homework. I ain't nobody's babysitter. All right. Okay. Bitcoin came up. We took the liquidity that's up here, which is what I was projecting over the weekend. Okay. I was saying this, which is why we're long. Look at the bottom right of your screen. 209%. We're long. I don't know where. I'm too lazy to check. We're long from somewhere. Actually, I have a long from down here at 33.4, and then I have another long at 40. Anyways, We came up, we took the SFP, we grabbed the liquidity. You guys know I love to draw my liquidity lines. There was liquidity up here. We came and we just took it. Is this SFP or swing failure pattern, for those who may not know, going to play out? Well, let's take a look at what we see. First things first, I did take a scalp short from around 33,840, or sorry, 34,840 this morning. I took profits, and then I believe I got stopped out at break even. So I'm good. Cool. Let me just babysit my positions real quick, actually. Let me make sure that my stop loss is in place, because it needs to be. Okay. So technically, this was a confirmed SFP. And what do we do after an SFP, guys? What do we do? Oh, I need to switch accounts. What do we do after an SFP? We watch market structure and obviously market cipher B for confirmation. Let me just switch accounts here. This is taking so long. How rude of me to do this. I'm being such a terrible host at the moment. Gotta make sure that my thing closed. Guys, does Mexi annoy anybody with all these pop-ups? Every day, it's like throwing all these like literally every single day, all it does is just shoot ads in your face. It's annoying. Okay. We came up, we did the SFP. What do we do after? First of all, why do we take the SFP? Why did I take the short? Well, look, we had the green vectors coming up into our key zone. Not only was it the golden pocket, right? When we zoom out, we take the golden pocket from the high of the range, or the fib from the high of the range to the more recent low, which was this low here at 33, whatever, you get this. So let me show you guys, in case you don't know. You grab your fib tool from the high to the low. It has to be in chronological order. So to this low right here, because this is the lowest point from wherever we are now. So from that low, you can see we are in the golden pocket. Okay, nothing too fancy. This red line is an SFP, which stands for swing failure pattern, which means we can grab the liquidity. That we already know. So this is a key range. Why did we take the short? If you look at the 5-minute time frame, you can see we started getting the bear divs with the momentum wave as we came up to that resistance. Same with the 10 was not so clear. Let's check the 15. 15-minute time frame, same thing. We started getting the divergences with the waves, and money flow, we were diverging as well. So I'm going to be honest with you guys right now, okay? For anybody that longed right up here, this is probably not the best place to long, because we are technically still on the 15 diverging with money flow, which is the most powerful thing, and we always say follow the money. So where can we recover? We see the red dot. Where can we recover? We can come down and grab that green vector there. We can even come down and sweep the liquidity below here. We can even come down and sweep these lows. So this is not the time to long, but I'm gonna tell you what's a good place. Where's a good place to long? We'll get to that a little bit later on, and we're also gonna talk about alts. But why am I holding my longs? Why did I take profits on the short already? What's going on? What am I doing? I'm glad you asked, guys. And we're going to be taking some trades live here today if we are presented with the opportunity to do so. But long story short, we started seeing the divergences at the level. Fine. Cool. Whatever. Now we watch market structure, okay? After you get an SFP, you want to find confirmation. We watch market structure. We had, where's my highlighter? We had our low, high, higher low, higher high, and we never broke this higher low. So right now, the key level to watch is this low right here. I want to see a 3-minute or 5-minute. Let me see, maybe 10 minute. Let's say 10-minute. 10-minute close below this low. We're going to come here. We're going to make it white. And we're going to write. That rhymed, by the way. 10-min close. We want to see a 10-minute candle close below this point. Then, after we see a 10-minute close below this point, we want to see the retracement. And here we are going to look to short it down. Okay? We'll see if that happens. I don't know. We are at key resistance right now. Cool, fine. If we take the high again, even if we wick it, this line automatically moves to this line, because this would be a confirmed stronger low, and then we would have a weak high. But for now, this is the level we have to watch out for. Fine. Fine. Read some comments here real quick. All good in the hood. Sounds great. Yo, Soul. We're going to do Soul. Anyone working out while listening to the stream? If not, why not? Appreciate it, man. Listen, my treadmill is here. It's right beside me. But my desk comes in tomorrow. I had to return my desk. So if it comes in, definitely starting Wednesday. I might not do a stream tomorrow. I got some interesting news for y'all. But Starting Wednesday, I will be on the treadmill during the stream. Get this fat off my body. But anyway, okay. So that's the S&P. That's what's going on with Bitcoin right now. Obviously, we know we're in the Brinks box, approaching the end of the Brinks box, and now it's important to watch the 5. The 5 minute looks like we could take the high again, and we could put in an S&P of the S&P. We have to watch out for that, okay? We got to be mindful of it. Let's check the 3. Actually, this S&P line now can move. We don't need it there. The S&P line can move to the new high. And S&P. Okay, so that's the level we got to watch now. 5 minute looks like it could clip, but it also looks like it could continue. We don't have enough information. Let's check the 3. The 3 minute time frame, I would say is kind of neutral right now. I would say it's kind of neutral right now. If I was going to guess, I would say we're probably going to come for the high again. 2 minute is also kind of neutral, but we got to see if this is going to clip. Right? I think it's a little bit too early, but it still seems like we're going to come for the high. Yeah, money flow on the 1 is pretty thick. We know that with thick money flow, we have more opportunities of divergences, right? So yes, we have a divergence with the momentum waves here, but money flow is super thick. So we could get something like this, giving us our 3rd divergence in a row on the 1, and giving us divergences with over time on the wave. So we could be at a significant high for the day. Remember, we are at the Brinks box, and during the Brinks box, they like to fake your ass out. We know this, right? Because we've all seen my video on the Brinks box, right, guys? Give me a random emoji in the chat if you have seen my... Actually, you know what? Give me a truck emoji in the chat if you have seen my Brinks box video. And if you haven't, then give me a random truck in the next stream after you watch it, after this video, after this stream. And tell me why, because the next stream, I'm going to be like, why are you guys sending random trucks? And I'm not going to remember. Okay, we're going to talk about the 1 hour bear div in a second, Iggy. All right. Last thing I want to talk about. If we don't S&P again, we can come up a little bit more. Okay, the 15 looks like it has some gas to go. Okay, it does. It has some gas. The 15 could absolutely take us higher. And the reason I took profit on my short so early is because we left the vectors below. If we pull up our EMAs, what do we know? Today, any red or pink vectors at this level in the chart right now are retracement vectors, right? They are not expansion vectors. They are retracement vectors into the 50. That's why we took profit when we hit the 50. So we expect it to come back up and recover these vectors. I want to bring your attention to these highs as well. If we're not going to go for the macro high, the yearly high at 35.8, which we may, camel, nice, which we may, we can come, like, we got to watch for this high here, and we got to watch for this high here. These are both SFP levels. In my opinion, I personally don't think we come for 35,185. It seems a little bit too close to 35.3. So, yes, we can be aware of this level, and technically we could SFP. Obviously, we can do anything. But I'm more interested in this level here, which is why I have my alert. Let's move it a little bit. I have my alert here ready to tell me if we take that level. And then I got another alert at the high, okay? So let's talk real quick about the 1 hour bear div. And let's talk real quick about Ethereum, and then we'll jump into Sol. We'll jump into Sol real quick. Okay. So the 1 hour actually is not giving us a bear div right now. The 1 minute got gas, man. Listen, guys, the 1 minute has gas. Listen, I say this all the time. Okay, I tell you guys this literally all the time. Why is my... There we go. I tell you guys this all the time. If you want to learn how market cipher moves, watch it on the 1 minute time frame. 25 likes and 59 watching. Thank you, Adam, for the reminder. Guys, hit the like button if you haven't done so already. I'm giving you guys, as Tino would say, the flavor. Listen, I tell you guys this all the time. Watch market cipher on the 1 freaking minute time frame. On the 1, okay? Because you will learn time is an oscillator. Just like market cipher B is an oscillation, time is an oscillation, right? The 1 minute moves 5 times as fast as the 5 minute. If you watch the 1 minute, you get to see how the 5 minute moves later. They all move the same. Watch the one like it's television, and you will learn it. This is not bearish at all, okay? Literally at all. Very, very bullish. So no, it is not a divergence yet. It could become a divergence if we come up very quickly and then come down very quickly and then the wave clips, which, I mean, I don't think we're going to clip down here. I think we might maybe clip like somewhere up here. So I think we have a few hours of up still. Nonetheless, it could eventually give us a divergence. And I'll tell you this. Guys, this is how we built the narrative. I'm sorry if I sound repetitive, because I mean, trading is repetitive. When we have a range high, we come to the low, we come to the high, we come to the low, we come to the high, whatever. Hear me out. Whenever we set a range, we typically, let me get rid of the EMAs because we know where the EMAs are. Whenever we have a range, we typically sweep the high and we sweep the low. I said in the video a couple days ago, or yesterday, I don't remember which video it was, that it looks like we're coming for the highs, okay? Do not be surprised if we come and take this high again. Don't think that you can't. Oh, this is a good song. Don't think that you can't. We can't take the high again. So if you are short and you haven't already taken profit for whatever reason, make sure you take profit, okay? Don't think we can't come for this high. If we come for this high, let's say we come for the high today. I don't know. Let's say we come up today. Bang, bang. Bang, bang, okay? This would give us a nice divergence on the 1 hour. And this would give us a nice divergence with money flow as well on the 1 hour. What do we know about ranges? They like to take the high. They like to take the low. Well, they haven't taken the low yet. And they haven't taken the high yet. And I said it looks like we're coming for the high. So what if we come for the high? We start getting those divergences. And that's a very powerful signal to take us actually all the way down to the low. Okay? So the higher we go, the more bearish we get. The higher we go, we'll look for shorts down to the low. Or at least, I don't even want this wick. I want this wick. At least this low. Because this kind of is a second range. Let's get rid of these SFE lines for now. Man, you guys see why I lose my voice like every day? I'm in here like screaming at you guys. I'm sorry, guys. I don't mean to yell at you. Okay. This is kind of a range in itself as well. Like a second range is right here. So we got two ranges right now in one. Okay, we got two ranges in one right here. Let's extend the range actually. It's like that, yeah. Okay. So we got two ranges in one. We have to actually kind of play both at the same time. We need to know that when we're at the high of the internal range, we may come up and sweep the external range. I hope we do, because then we can kind of invalidate the lesser one. But nonetheless, we know we got two ranges that we can play with here. And so if we do end up taking the higher range high, we can expect at least a sweep of this low, in my opinion, which is what I'm looking for. I hope we get it on stream today. I hope we come up stupid fast. Everybody buys, and we can sell and catch a short on stream. Guys, look how big this is. This is literally bigger than my head. I'm not in the US, so we don't use gallons, but this is 1 gallon. And I have like 1.5 of these a day. Okay. All right. So we already established that Bitcoin is likely to keep going up. Well, obviously because I said it. And what's my favorite thing to say, baby? I told you so. Okay. But this is what I'm looking at. Long term. Not long term. Midterm. Up. S&P of the high. Back down. Because in yesterday's video, I told you that we do have... Why did that undo? We do have a strong order block up here. Okay. This is a strong order block, guys. This is why I have an alert up here as well. I don't think we're going to make it up here yet. I think we might take some time to get up here. It might be in a month or two. So if we're playing the range, and we SFP it, if it goes straight up to 40K, then we will then we assess it at 40K. Right? We assess it at 40K. But remember, we have the Giga from yesterday's video. Do I still have that fib up? Man, I gotta clean this up. Okay, I'll just redraw it. Remember, we have the golden pocket 786 zone. So if we take the high from 2022 to the low of 2022 and we flip it to golden pocket, we're in the golden pocket. Wait, where are we right now? Did I do that right? Wait, why did I have this level? Oh, that's why. Okay, we're gonna go from up here. Okay, right? So we're in the golden pocket, and actually this is within the golden pocket and 786 zone. So what may happen, I don't know. We got our alerts. We're gonna reassess at the time, but we definitely can come for the high again. What I prefer is we come for the high and we come back in the range and we continue going sideways. Meanwhile, Bitcoin dominance drops and we can see an alt season. Okay, we're gonna talk about Ethereum real quick for whoever has not seen my video yesterday and is hurting my feelings and breaking my heart by not seeing my videos yesterday, might I say. 1 second, let me just check on my positions. Primarily, I want to check on my ETH position because I am heavily long on ETH right now. Guys, I'm in a long right now on ETH from 1595 up 1,272%. Which we gave in advance, by the way, in the VIP Discord. So if you haven't joined, make sure you join the Discord alone, which is the link is in the description down below. And then you join by DMing my bot, the 4-digit code that you're going to hear throughout this stream at the end of every video. I'm going to make this code the same as last time. Yo, what am I doing? I'm going to make it the same as yesterday's video. So I'm not going to purge you guys again. But you guys can send the code if the bot, when the bot is up after the stream. 1 second, guys. Once again, how rude of me. I just gotta check my position here, man. I gotta make sure we're chilling. I gotta make sure ETH is Ethan. You know what I'm saying? Ethan. That's funny. I just thought of that. Okay. Top of the morning to you, Mr. Tim. How are you, sir? How is Ontario treating you today? Is it cold? I'm about to go buy another suit. Flex, dude, my dog. How you doing, sir? What's going on? Guys, we got 64 people in the stream. Currently, right now. 64. So 128 eyeballs on me. And only 34 likes. And you guys got 10 fingers each. Okay? So you got like 5 times as many fingers as eyeballs. Yet the likes are half. The math ain't mathing right now, G. I know I ain't giving you guys all this heat for you guys to keep me out on the likes. Please, all jokes aside, please, if you guys don't mind, hit the like button. The code, Mr. Hoser. It's a good question. I actually don't even know it. Okay, let me revive my GeoBot real quick so you guys can send it in now. I'm not going to urge you guys today. At least if I post another video, then I will, but the code is 4614. 4614, man. All right. Ethereum is coming up exactly where we projected to. If you saw yesterday's video, you know why we're long on Ethereum, and you know why I'm heavily favoring Ethereum. We're going to get into altcoins in a second here, guys. Mad C DJ, I appreciate you, bro. Thank you, man. Thank you. I really, from the bottom of my heart, man, it means a lot to me. Okay. Ethereum. We suspected for a long time that it's going to go up. Ethereum has not been on par with Bitcoin. Bitcoin has moved up. Ethereum has not. So, if our narrative of Bitcoin taking the high comes into fruition and we continue to range, meanwhile, Bitcoin dominance continues to drop as it's dropping right now, right? If BTCD makes his way down here while BTC is chilling sideways, then we may see an alt season. Oh, we're dumping right now. We may see an alt season. I'm going to be watching Ethereum. Okay, hold on. We got to zoom in. What's happening right now? Okay, let me give you guys what I think in real time, and then we'll continue on. When things like this happen, okay? Remember, red vector is likely to get recovered. This vector is coming into our 50 EMA on multiple time frames, which is a retracement EMA. Or retracement vector, sorry. It is not an expansion vector. This here is not a bear div. Right? With money flow, yes. But with these waves, it is not. So technically, we can still come up and take this high again. However, at the same time, we did come back up to recover the red vector, and now we're rejecting. So let's see if we had any order blocks in this little zone here. Nope. I don't use the 10. Nope. Nope. Okay. So right now, I don't see any significant order blocks, unless I'm missing them. No, I don't see any significant order blocks in this range. Because of that, obviously we're still going to watch market structure, right? We have low, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high. So obviously we got to watch market structure, which is, I mean, kind of both of these levels, if I'm being honest. We can watch both together, no problem. We gotta watch market structure, but... Oh, see, okay, so now we're getting a red vector into the 50 EMA, which is a recovery vector. We can expect to come back up. I suspect we're going to come back up and take this high at least, but we'll see. But this is how I think in real time. What are the vectors doing? What colors are the vectors? Where are they relative to my EMA? Are they expansion vectors? Are they retracement vectors? Where are my order blocks? Which, if you guys don't know, I have a boot camp this Thursday at 6 p.m. EST. If you want more information, go check it out on the Discord. Come to the Discord and follow the instructions. Follow the instructions for the boot camp. Right over here, right? So next boot camp, order blocks and liquidity. We're going to talk about it. Follow the instructions so you can get more info. This Thursday, 6 p.m. EST. So because we didn't hit, from what I can see anyways, a meaningful order block. I mean, we could keep going down, but I still don't favor it. I still don't favor it. You singing the code was splendid. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. I don't know how I thought. I don't know how I thought about it. Okay, long opportunity on this tiny dump. Let's take a look. Let's see if we have any order blocks to the downside that we can come and recover. I mean, we have quite a bit. Like, we could come down pretty significantly. I don't think we're gonna come down to here, but we do have an order block here. I think that what we may do right here is your long, in my opinion. What time frame are we on? 5. Right here is your long. Right, let me make this nice so you can see it. I think this is your long, if we are fortunate enough to get it. It has to be an SFP. I want to see an SFP of this low, this 10 right here. We could even SFP the low of it. So I would want to see something like this for it to be a valid long for me. You could enter anywhere in there. Obviously, market cipher needs to like look good. I don't want it to come this low. I would want it to the most come down to like 34399. By the way, when you guys are like have your stop losses like this, for example, around 34.4, don't ever put your stop loss on 34.4. Put it to like 34 or 34 like 390 or something, 389. Do it like that. Don't do it on the whole numbers. And also when you're looking to enter, don't enter on the whole number either. Don't go 34.5 I'm entering. Do 34 like 513 or something. Because obviously the big numbers are the psychological numbers. A lot of people will put their stop loss at 34.4. So they might touch 34.4 and then bounce. And then yours at 34.387. Anyways, just a little pro tip for you. This would be my trade setup if we are presented with it. And obviously we need to watch market cipher B on the lower term time frames and see what we're doing. And we got to see it has to be an SFP. If it's not an SFP, then no, it's no good. I probably think that we're gonna just go sideways for the next, few hours, and then we're gonna get another move up. That's what I think right off the bat, but we'll see. Man, I'm losing my voice yelling at y'all. Okay. By the way, if you decide that you want to take this trade, oh, I didn't mean to do that. Yeah, I don't have it up right now. I don't know why it did that. Let me see if I can fix that real quick. There you go. Okay, let's do that again. Hold on. By the way, if you decide that you want to take this trade, guys, if you don't have an exchange, Mexi is my exchange of choice. It is the cheapest on fees, 0.00%. Maker fee, 0.01% taker fee, which is basically free. You can basically answer this trade for free if you decide to do so. I'm not taking this trade. I'm already long. Full disclosure. Don't say Gio said, Gio said. No, Gio did not say. But if you do, and you decide to support me, I appreciate it. Shouts out to everybody in the Discord, man. Y'all make trading mad fun. Okay, if we are blessed with this opportunity, we'll set an alert down here, and we'll come back to it. Ethereum, we already know what we're doing. Ethereum, we're long on, baby. And we want Ethereum to come higher. Now, Ethereum, I have to be honest, Ethereum just took the high, right? So Bitcoin, I told you, Bitcoin and Ethereum move in tandem. Although Bitcoin did not SFP the SFP, Ethereum, wait, is this the right? Oh no, this is wrong. Ethereum is just way laggy. Never mind. Ignore what I was about to say. Wow, did we come that high? Guys, I don't even know the prices of anything. I only just trade the levels. I honestly, I don't know any of the prices. I really don't. But I expect Ethereum to make its way up here at least 1836, because we do have significant order blocks up here. Man, let me get rid of these EMAs, bro. They make everything so laggy and so ugly. But yeah, that's why I have an alert up here as well. Okay, let's go Sol. Let us talk about Sol. So Solana is forming a little range right now. If you think Solana is going to continue to the upside, how do you enter a trade? Well, you literally just trade the range and then you hold it in whichever direction you expect to go higher. Right? Plain and simple. But let's talk higher term time frames for Sol. Now, Sol is interesting because Sol's been on a bender. Sol looks like it's got some juice still. Let's see if we can find any significant areas for Sol to grab. Okay, we're not gonna get carried away. Let's go on the daily. We ain't gonna get too carried away here. No. No. Interesting. Very interesting. Sol is interesting. Sol is very interesting. Where can we come to on Sol? Okay. 2 areas to watch for Sol.
When I back in town, know what we're doing. Things are about to change, it's evolution. Voices shake the ground, you feel it moving with the revolution. One look, the heat is rising.
3 areas to watch for Sol.
Been cold for so long. One touch and we're igniting.
This is where we're watching, guys.
Setting fire.
These are big ranges, okay? They are big ranges, and one of them is very far away.
These flames ain't going out.
Let me just check real quick.
Don't think that we can stop it now. 'Cause baby, our love is gonna burn time. You know these flames ain't going out.
Yeah, these are my my levels for Sol. Let's set an alert. 40K, guys. 40K. 40K. Oh my god, imagine. $40. $40. I would like to see, this is what I would like to see. We're on the daily time frame, okay? These are big time frames. Wait, where are we right now? Oh, you know what? No. Right here. $40 on Sol. And I would like to see an SFP of this high. Did we already SFP it? No, we didn't. I want to see an SFP. I want to see us come back up. Where's my marker? I want to see this. Hit this supply zone or this supply zone, one of the two. And then make our way down. That's what I would like to see on Sol. But this is long term, guys. This is long term. Sol actually doesn't look good, if I'm being honest. Sol doesn't even look like it's going to do that. Sol is looking like pretty, like it's going to come down. Maybe sweep some lows. Here's your long on Sol. Did we hit it? Ah, we hit it. We hit the long on Sol. When did this happen? Wow. I could have longed this so easily. Oh, I am in replay mode. Oh my goodness. I forgot. I'm sorry. Well, I could have hit it easy. Oh, wait, where are we now? Where's my boxes? Wow, I'm so stupid. Man, I go on replay mode so that when I change time frames, I don't need to go back every time. Okay, these are our levels. These are our levels here. Yeah, Sol looks very good then. My bad. Sol looks very, very good. I'm so dumb. Sol looks really good. But I'll tell you this. When it does hit that supply zone, it is, I would say, probable to come down. Because Sol's just kind of been non-stop up. So we could come back down. I got you. So you guys can expect somewhat of a retracement here. When we get there, I will update you guys. But whenever we hit these supply zones, guys, this is where we watch market structure. Right? We pay attention to market structure. My Sol chart is frozen. Is it still frozen? It should be good. Is it still frozen? Bifrost, you froze my Sol chart. I blame you, sir. Hold on, I'm gonna watch myself right now to see if I am frozen. We're gonna do Inception here. No, man, I look good to me. Okay, somebody let me know. I need to know if I'm frozen or not. Looks good to me. Here, let me try switching screens. I should be good, man. Y'all gotta let me know, man. Y'all got to let me know. We cannot carry on until I know. I'm good now. Okay. You're a Frost after all. Elsa, babe. Elsa, baby! Let it go. Yeah, man, my bad. I goofed on that. Okay. So, yeah, $40. We set our alerts. I will keep you guys updated in the Discord. Wait, why did I not put an alert here? Okay, we got an alert. We'll put the alert at 39:41. 39.41, and we're gonna write Sol 80B shorts. Okay. We have our alert. I will keep you guys updated in the Discord when that happens. I'm kind of watching ETH, man. I really want ETH to do what I think it's gonna do, because then I can say I told you so. And you guys know that my favorite thing to do is to say I told you so. Wait. Humbly. I told you so. Humbly. Okay. What's next, guys? What is next? Listen. I'm gonna take the floor on this one. And then you guys, I want to see which alts you guys want to see. And I'll do briefly, man. Like, just like the way I did Sol. Nothing crazy. Okay. Let's look at at Doge. I have been talking about Doge. Guys. I need to make my face bigger for this. Don't mind the background. I have been talking about Doge for a long time. Doge is a not so silent beast. We know what Doge can do. We know that when alt season comes, around, we know that Doge moves. Yeah, I'm getting distracted, man. Listen. I'm gonna keep this very short, very sweet and concise. Okay? If you don't see a shite ton of liquidity here, then you, sir, are Stevie Wonder, and you are super, super, super blind. Okay? There's liquidity here. I do not draw trend lines. If you're new here, I do not draw trend lines the way that you guys, or not you guys, but not my people anyway. Retail draws trend lines. I draw them as liquidity. There's a lot of liquidity here. But let's just say we were gonna be retail and we were gonna draw normal trend lines like losers. Let's just say, let's get rid of this. What do we see on Doge? Is that how you draw? Dude, I don't even know how to draw trend lines. I swear to God, I don't know. Do you draw it from here? Do you draw it from here? Like, I literally don't know. Someone teach me how to be retail, because I literally don't know. But anyways, I guess we broke out. Potentially we come back for the retest and then off and away we go. I don't know. I don't know how to draw retail trend lines. I'm not that stupid. Like, I don't know. I literally don't know. But Doge has a lot of liquidity that we can come and grab, man. A lot. And we know that when Doge moves, Doge moves. So where am I looking for the doggy? Let's see if we can find some areas. And I'm going to keep it super simple, man. I'm looking at 12 cents. If I'm being real. I'm looking for like somewhere up here. I want 12 cents. I want this zone right here. This is where I'm looking at for Doge. And we're going to set an alert there. Oh! Guys, what is wrong with me? Yeah, hold on. Yo, okay, this is what I'm gonna do, man. I'm gonna have my stream. I'm gonna have my stream. I'm gonna have my stream up. Yo, how long was that? Oh my goodness. I can't even believe that, yo. I can't believe that. Yeah, I'm gonna start having my stream up because I don't know how I don't. Okay, my stream is up. I can officially see my stream at all times. Oh my god. Honestly, that deserves a walk-off. Okay, we're done. We're moving past that, okay? We're done with that. We're not gonna talk about that. That is so funny. Okay, let me recap real quick. Long story short, there's a lot of liquidity here. I can't believe I just did that. Anyways, whatever. A lot of liquidity is above us. I'm looking for around 12 cents. There you go. That is crazy, bro. I can't believe I keep doing that. That's like the second time now. Second stream in a row. Wow, so we have about 50, okay, not 50-50, but 55% of people think we're going to pump. 45% of people think we're going to dump. Interesting. Now, the better question is, if I ask each and every single one of you, are you able to provide a narrative to me as to why you think it may pump or dump? Is the question. Guys, if you have not liked the stream already, please hit the like button. Hit the like if you like how dumb I am and I was talking for so long. I was talking for so long about nothing. About myself. About this guy. I'm like charting myself. Crazy. Crazy. Ah, I look like an alpha right now. Thank you, sir. Yo, yesterday. Hold on. I need to start getting like more tea when I'm doing these streams, man. I lose my voice. Yesterday when I went and I bought my suit, I'm gonna go right after the stream and buy another one. I went and I bought a suit, and the chick is like, as soon as I put it on, she's like, yo, you look like a boss. I'm like, bitch, I am the fucking boss. Oh, I shouldn't have said that. Now I'm gonna get demonetized. Whatever. I'm like, I am the boss. I am the danger, boy. Yeah, I guess I made y'all all Stevie Wonder there. Maybe we can all hit a duet. Maybe we can all hit a duet. All right, guys. I'm gonna pause the music for a second. I'm gonna tell you guys, I'm gonna perform the VIP code for you guys, as I did yesterday. But keep in mind, I've been talking now for how long? For 1 hour. My voice is hella raspy. Okay. Well, what song was? Oh yeah. They say I have free VIP. You join by sending the code. It's a code that no one knows. Oh, just go to the Discord and DM the bot 4614. Boom! Tell me anybody on YouTube, anybody is doing what I'm doing. Tell me anybody's doing what I'm doing. Okay, guys, leave me more altcoins. Which altcoins do you want to see? And this time, I will show you on the screen without seeing 4 Canadians. 4 dumbass Canadians at that. And while we do that, I need a break from talking for a couple minutes. So I'm going to wait for your altcoins to enter the chat here while we do our... While we do this.
Like a moth to a flame, I'll pull you in, I'll pull you back to what you need initially.
Man, I'm small right now, but
It's just one call away.
I'm small right now, though.
And you leave him, you're loyal to me. But this time I'll let you
Man,
be.
wait for my
'Cause he
treadmill.
seems
My treadmill's right
like
over
he's
there.
good for you, and he
My treadmill's right
makes
there.
you feel like you should. And all your friends say he's the one. His love for you
Everybody!
is true. But does he know you call me when he sleeps? But
I want you guys to name one other YouTuber that's doing what I'm doing. I'll wait.
You should be
I will wait.
I'll let you go from time. You should stay with him, 'cause he seems like he's good for you, and he makes you feel like you should. And all your friends say he's the one. His love for you is true. But does he know you call me when he sleeps? But does he know the patience that you keep? Does he know the reason that you cry? Oh, tell me, does he know where your heart lies? Where it truly lies? Does he know the reason that you cry? Oh, tell me, does he know where your heart lies? Where it truly lies?
What a banger! Banger! Mr. Hoser, sir, I have an announcement for you that I just decided on the spot because I'm in a good mood. And you've been good to me. Please, if you may, check my levels. After every time I do that, I appreciate you, as you know. You watch all my videos. You post news in the Discord. I'm gonna give you perma VIP because you've been good to me. So you don't need to send the codes anymore, because I already know you're gonna watch the videos anyways. And over the weekend you missed some, whatever. I will be happy to do that for you, sir. I will be happy to do that for you, sir. And I actually may need another mod soon. And I will tell you that if you're willing to do it, nothing is I don't know. I gotta see. Because I gotta see. But this is, I hope you're picking up what I'm putting down. I hope you are picking up what I am putting down. Okay. Let's check your coins real quick. So somebody said Tesla's dumping. I don't really do stocks, if I'm being honest. Let's take a look. Man, you know why I don't like stocks? Because stocks, like, let's just say Elon. Okay, let me tell you why I don't like stocks. Let's just say... Wait, who constantly belches? Do I do that? Oh, CFs. Crypto phase. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I thought it was me because I'm clearing my throat every 2 seconds because my throat. Anyway. Okay. I don't like... By the way, this actually looks like it's going to go up like literally right now. I don't like... Yeah, this actually might be the low for Tesla. I don't like trading stocks because let's just say Elon does something very stupid. Like more moon stuff. I don't know, like a loser. He's a loser. But let's just say Elon is like, oh guys, I'm gonna put some more, I don't know, groceries on the moon and like whatever. I would imagine that people also think like me, which by the way, for some reason the entire planet does not think like me, but I think that they should. But anyways, that's a separate subject. I would imagine that Tesla drops. All jokes aside, if Tesla just... If Elon comes out tomorrow and says like racist stuff, then Tesla will just tank. And I don't trust giving one man that much power with my money. I care about my money a lot. Okay? A lot I care about my money. So I can't trust that that one man is gonna wreck it like that. Man, my TD shares are going down. But AMC though. AMC though. So I'm not long, but I bought AMC down here somewhere down here. I want to see AMC give me some juice, man. AMC, if we're gonna talk stocks, which I don't really like to talk stocks, but yo, come on. Don't worry about this line. This is an old line. AMC, I don't know anything about it, about their movement and all that, but y'all know what I'm saying. Okay. Let me just check the comments real quick. Did somebody write my code in the chat? Remove. Got it. Okay. Okay, guys, we have quite a bit here, so I'm gonna go quick. All right, let's go AVAX. Let's do AVAX first. Let's stick to Bybit. Man, I'm gonna go buy my suit after this. Yo, this chick was into me yesterday, I'm telling you. She's like, you're the boss. I'm like, you're damn right I am. You're damn right. Okay, AVAX right off the bat is gonna come and take this SFP. No question in my mind. So you gotta watch for it. You could SFP here with AVAX at 11.88. It's honestly like very, very probable to do so. And then we're probably gonna come up to this zone here. We're probably gonna reject. Let me check. Let me go in replay mode. Somebody remind me that I'm gonna be in replay mode so I don't look like an idiot for the second or third time this stream. Okay, these are the zones right now. Yo, I just thought of something. So good. What if I double click the box? Can I extend this to the right? Oh, that is so easy. Okay, AVAX is either coming there and rejecting up there. Let me come on higher term time frames. Oh my days, nobody told me you could extend to the right. Okay, yeah, AVAX is coming up here. It also might sweep this liquidity and then potentially come. I actually prefer this. Yo, are you kidding me? I can extend it right? That is so unfair. Okay, I believe two places to watch right now for AVAX right off the bat. We do have a lot of liquidity here. Okay, so we gotta be careful of that. I do think potentially we could reject from here. We gotta follow Bitcoin. Remember, the market's gonna do what Bitcoin's gonna do, as long as Bitcoin does not dump. If Bitcoin continues sideways, alt will rise. If Bitcoin dominance drops, but we have a significant order block here. If it hits it, taps it, whatever, and we don't see market change or whatever, I do think that this is actually a little bit more probable, coming up to 13. Okay, again, it only depends on if Bitcoin does not drop. Bitcoin cannot drop. It has to stay sideways. If Bitcoin drops, the market, the alts will follow. If Bitcoin does not drop, then alts can have their time to shine. Actually, I would extend this a little bit more. I would extend it like this. I would say AVAX is coming to this zone here. I would say AVAX. So you're gonna set your alert here, 12.13, 12.2, 12, whatever, 12.10. And then the second zone, I would say is up here. So here we're gonna write DOB. And this was, I think, 8 OB. Right, so if we hit this and we don't see what we want to see, I do think, you know, this is a pretty good spot, 13-ish. All right, next one. Smooth. What is smooth? I actually don't even know what smooth is. Mauve? Oh, smooth. Like this. Okay, we'll do it on Mexi, sure. Oh, man. Oh, baby. All right. Let's see. Una mattina. I think I like ya. Okay. What is this coin? I've never even heard this coin. Oh, that's annoying. Okay, whatever. Okay, so man, I wish you told me this like 2 days ago. I would have said, okay, there's a lot of liquidity here. I would say that this coin, however you say it, is likely to let me check market cipher B. I would say we're likely to come up more and hit this box. I don't want to see an SFP of this box for me. I would not want to see an SFP here. I would want to see it from this level here if we are going to SFP, and that is even if we're going to take the box. If we're not going to take this, so this is what I would do. We watch this box. If we don't SFP this high, it has to be an SFP. We might not even get the SFP. So the trade idea, like really you could enter anywhere. We'll include this into the box. So this would have to be an SFP. Okay. If we don't do that, I'm not interested in anything unless we SFP this high. So all this stuff, anything in between from here to here, I'm not interested in. And then if we SFP that high, so that would have to be an SFP. This would be an SFP. If we don't SFP that, I mean, this is kind of like gonna sound repetitive, but I would look for an SFP there. And then if we don't get that, then I'm looking for here next. And then everything else we'll talk about later. That's like a very far away level. But these are my levels right now for SLP. That's what I would say right now for SLP. So guys, I will send all these charts in the Discord. I will send them all in the Discord. Yeah, I will send them all in the Discord. I gotta write down all the ones that I did so that I can remember. Okay, let's see. What did we do? We did SLP. We did Solana. What was the one we did before this? AVAX. We did AVAX. So I'll post all these in the VIP section later today. Oh man, we got a lot. We gotta move faster. How much time do we have left? 1 hour 10 minutes. What time is it right now? 11:05. Okay, I'm gonna stream for like maybe 20-30 more minutes and then I'm out. Okay, I'm gonna go quick, guys. I'm gonna go very quick so I can try to get to as many coins as I can, and then I'll do more in-depth analysis for you. Cardano, you guys know I love Cardano. Cardano's coming up, man, right off the bat. We got a lot of liquidity right up here. We also, though, I have to say, have a lot of liquidity below us. Okay, this is not a very good looking move on Cardano. Cardano is giving us the green dot on the 12-hour time frame with thick money flow. What do we know about that? We know that we can get more bear divs, right? The thicker the money flow. So this is possible. How high up can we go? Right off the bat, let's do our time frame swap here. Personally, I would want to see at least an SFP of this high, at least. Potentially this high, actually. One of these two SFPs is what I would look for. Let's see if we can find any significant order blocks. Yeah, I would want to see this. This is a good level to me. What is wrong with me? Where did my level go? Am I freaking blind? Okay, right here. So I would want to see an SFP of this into this blue box somewhere and then a rejection. And what we wait for is market structure, okay? Market structure. I cannot stress this enough. We come up. We get the flip. Get the retracement. Bang. Send her down. And then when we come down, we can come and grab all this liquidity. And we do have 2 order blocks right there at the bottom, okay? That's Cardano. I do think we're going to make it up there. I do. You guys know, the OGs of the channel know I love Cardano. I love Cardano's the silent giant, right? We talked about Doge. Oh, I got to update Doge. We got like in my notes. We talked about Doge. We know that Doge is a loud giant, but Cardano is a silent giant. Do not forget what Cardano is capable of, guys. Do not forget. And Cardano, unlike many of the market, unlike many things in the market, Cardano does not follow Bitcoin. Bitcoin and the entire market have had like minus 10% days, and Cardano had like plus 40% on those days. Don't sleep on Cardano. I like Cardano. The functionality and all that, I have no idea what that is, what that does. No clue. But I do love me some Cardano. Okay. Big time. One more time. Okay, let's go big time real quick. Man, these coins are hard to chart, man. You guys are giving me like things that I know nothing about, man. I don't know anything about these coins. Okay, big time right off the bat. Honestly, I'm not touching this. I would not touch it. I don't like coins like this, but I would say we're pretty likely to come up to 22. Nothing else to say. If we make it that high, we could come here. I don't know, man. I really don't know. I don't know how these coins react to like important levels and such. Like, I genuinely don't know. I'll tell you this, market cipher B does not look bearish. Yeah, no, I would say wherever we come down to, perhaps we come down to down here, somewhere down here, recover this green vector candle. Somewhere down there, you can potentially look to long, right? We have the red vector right up here. That's if we do that. Or you could look to for these SFPs, which it looks like we actually already got it. Let's come on the shorter term time frames and check real quick. Yeah, I would say that we got more upside. Wherever the low is, I would say we could take it up to here. Nothing more to say really on big time. Super. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Guys, listen. I'm bolting as quick as I can. And by the way, let me just say, this is not full TA. Okay, I'm just looking at order blocks. This is not full TA. So don't like take everything here with like a grain of salt, as they say, whatever that even means. Dude, I can't check super. Yeah, I can't do anything on this. I'll show you on the daily or the 12-hour. I can't go lower. But yeah, I would say so, like keep that into consideration. This is not full TA. I'm doing it very quick for you guys. And please, if you guys haven't already liked the stream, make sure you like the stream for this fire that I'm bringing you. Okay, super, I would say, is probably coming up to here. Right, we got to be careful of this SFP because we do have other levels right next to us. So I actually don't want to see an SFP. If we break the high here, I want to come and take these highs. I want to come and take these highs here before looking at anything. And this is another order block right over here. So if we're building our narrative, we could say, I want to see a rejection from up here. If we do not reject from here, I want to see an SFP of this red line. And I want to see rejection from this box before we short. So it'd be like this. However high, boom, market change, boom, we enter there. Or we continue up, boom, market change, retracement, boom, sender down. Right? Maybe sender down to here and then continue up. I don't know. But that's kind of the best I got right now for this coin. It's very low liquidity. Very, very low liquidity. How long has this coin been around for? Oh, wow. Whoa, whoa, whoa. How high did this thing go? Wow. Yeah, I don't really have anything more to say than that. Okay, Cardano we did. I'm going to do FTM. I'm going to do Phantom one more and then... I'm going to do Phantom one more and then jump back onto ETH and BTC. Shut up and dance with me. I think Phantom is actually pretty topped out. Yeah, no longs for sure. Phantom looks kind of ugly like Cardano. We watch market structure. If Phantom takes this low, closes, let's say 30-minute candle below this low, We can wait for somewhat of a retracement. Yeah, I would say right now, as of now, nothing's confirmed yet, but that is where I would probably look to short it. So I would want to see this. I would want to see down, back up, market structure change on lower term time frames, and send her all the way down. And we can target this low right over there. And if we take this low, I actually think that we're going to come even lower, personally. I think that we would come to at least here if we SFP it, for example. And then if we don't take there, then, or if we don't bounce from there, then I would look to, what? Why is this not copying? Then I would look to this low here. So I personally would not long. Again, I'm doing quick analysis. I could be wrong. But that's what I would look for on Phantom. Definitely no longs. Definitely no longs. Not when Phantom is looking like this. Right? Not when Phantom's looking like this. We also SFP'd these highs. So we could come up for one more SFP to take this liquidity. Right? We definitely could do that. Right? We also have a lot of liquidity. Oh, wow. We have a lot of liquidity here. A lot of liquidity. I think when Phantom moves, it will move quick. Yeah, I don't think we come down right away. I don't think we come down. I think we probably just continue going sideways. We're probably just going to stay in between these two red lines for like a few hours and then potentially come back and take the high. But for now, nothing really. I think we're just going to go sideways. But we need to be aware of both potentials, right? We got to be aware of this liquidity and we got to be aware of this curve of liquidity. Like, look at that, right? This is kind of like our curve tool, but we're like drawing it the other way. That is still liquidity. That still counts as liquidity. Okay, let's come back to baby ETH because ETH is what we're giga long on right now. Check it on the shorter term time frames, and then I'm out, G. So ETH still has this order block that we can come and take, and obviously we know that we do have the alert up there. Man, my neck. I think ETH is actually looking pretty healthy because you can see we had this liquidity build up overnight. F Asia, you guys know how I feel about Asia. Overnight they came down, stopped everybody out that, you know, shorted these lows. We SFP'd the SFP. So right there, right, with our bull divs. So there was your long entry. I actually don't suspect that we come back to this low, in my opinion. If you decided that you wanted to long ETH right now, low leverage, then I would say that as of now, it seems as though 1778 looks safe. Like you could put your stop loss like here. It seems. I'm not doing it because I'm already long. I'm actually long from down here. I just spat. I don't know if you guys saw that. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see what ETH does. We got to keep our eye on ETH, keep our eye on Bitcoin. Keep our eye on Bitcoin. I actually wouldn't be surprised if ETH kind of makes a move soon. Let me check more time frames. Yeah. I wouldn't be surprised if ETH makes another run at the high. And it happens soon. I think we're going higher, man. We'll see, though. We'll see how high we go. If we come up and we take this high at 1870, that is not a good thing for ETH longs. Because then we will be putting in very clear money flow divergences. If we want to have a sustained move up to like 1920K or 20... like 1900, 2000, we would want to see like more time go by and money flow start to increase, and then we go up there. We wouldn't want to see it now, but I'm down for it now because then I'll short it. Easy money. And we will put our alert up at the highs at 1861, 1860, whatever. Seriously, with these alerts. Anyways, that's what I would look for. Guys, I've been talking for so long, man. If you have not hit the like button, please do me a solid and hit the like button for me. I appreciate all y'all. And answer the poll. We have 83 votes. 57% of you think we're going up, and 43% of you think we're going down. Interesting. Very, very interesting. Guys, I will be back in 2 minutes. BRB. Have no fear. Top Geo is here. What's up? All right. Sleeping Giants. Yeah, XLM is a sleeping giant also. What is my real name and where am I from? Would you also like to know my social security number, sir? My real name is my real name is George. But everybody calls me Geo. And I am from Toronto, Canada. I am from Toronto, lads. Okay, yeah, and I'm from Toronto, Canada. So let me show you what I do to my community. Not to my community, for my community. That sounded so bad. This is what I do. So in my VIP Discord, take you down a little bit of a trip here. Let me move my face. We're gonna hide me a little bit. Sorry, guys. Put your your things away. Okay, this is what I do in my Discord. Okay, so I give you guys, you know, updates like this, like, oh, look, guys, we have a 4-hour cheat sheet entry, right? I give you guys, not call-outs. I don't tell you how to trade. I don't tell you that I'm entering or whatever, but I give you ideas, right? Boom, we're looking for this if this happens, right? Oh, look at this. So a couple days ago, ETH just tapped the liquidity. Perfect example, okay? ETH just tapped the 25% mark of the range. We still have a bunch of liquidity to grab to the upside. I believe we go up. This was on 10/28. Today is 10/30. So this was 2 days ago. So based on this and based on me saying that you could go up, at the time, price was 17.74, and now price is 18.18, which is where the liquidity, we're actually exactly where the liquidity ends. So I tell you stuff like that. Okay, I don't tell you guys like, oh, this is the trade setup. Make sure you enter now and whatever else. But I give you guys, you know, stuff like this. Like, boom, I'm looking for this. I'm looking for this. No shorts until we take 34882. Right? This was yesterday. Did we take 34882 today? We did take 34882. We actually, look at this. Look at this, bro. This is what I tell you, man. Look, no shorts until we take 34882. 34882 was right here. How much of a 34882, give or take, right there? How much of a drawdown would you have had if you took that? Like $20. This is what I do in my VIP Discord. Boom, Ethereum, surprise, surprise. Now, I'm going to be honest, overnight or over the weekend, I was kind of working on other things. But I do give levels all the time, right? This, I gave last week, these order blocks, saying that price was going to come up between 34.6 and 34.7. And you can see, so I told you guys in advance, right? I gave you guys the exact levels. And then we exactly came up to that, and then we rejected. All right, so this is the kind of stuff that I do in my VIP Discord. So, and it's free for you to join, man. It's free. The link is in the description down below. And then you just DM my bot up here, the 4-digit code that you hear throughout the video, throughout every video. And what happens is after every video, I purge you guys. So I remove everybody from VIP. And then you have to resend my bot the new code after every video. This is my way of kind of manipulating watch time a little bit. But it helps you guys. It helps you guys learn, right? And then if you don't want to send the codes to my bot every day or every other day or whatever, whenever it is, then you can also, if you choose to, pay for VIP. It's $12 a month, and then you don't need to send any codes if you want to do it. But there's a free option for you guys as well. That's how it works. And I give you guys updates in real time, right? So other people, other Discords charge so much money. I give everything for free, and I give you guys real-time updates all the time. And I'm with you guys all the time. I'm trading with you guys all the time, you know? Ask anyone else in the Discord, hop on in. They can attest to it. Don't take my word for it. Come on in, say hello, and then ask them, guys, does he do this? They will tell you, man. I truly have the best community in the world. I'm going to tell you this. It's not my community. It's our community. I'm just as much a member of it as you are. I'm no better than you. What trade's happening on ETH? ETH, I am expecting to go higher. When it will go higher, I do not know. We got to watch market structure at this point. We got to watch this low. If ETH starts to close significant candles, let's say 30-minute candles. Yeah. No, 15. If ETH starts to close 15-minute candles below 1806, then I will consider closing the longs because we're probably going to come down for these lows. Potentially SFE this low. But I do want ETH to go higher. We'll see, though. We'll see. He said he's Greek. I don't remember ever saying I'm Greek. I do not believe I ever said that I was Greek. I tell women all the time that I'm different things. I lie about everything. All right, guys, listen. I'm not purging you guys after this stream because I posted a video last night explaining my narrative on why I think Ethereum is going to go higher than Bitcoin. So the ones that are new here, welcome. Go back and watch that video. Let me pin it for you. Hold on. But I'm not going to purge you after this stream because I didn't really post much from then until now. I will update you guys later. But everybody that is new, go and watch that that video because I explain the narrative. And for the ones that are new, welcome to my channel. I teach you guys everything for free, and I teach you how to build the narrative of your own. I tell you that whenever you're taking a trade, I want to know why. If I ever put you on the spot, if you come, listen, if you come to my channel and you come to the brag about it section, everybody's bragging, which I, you know, whatever, man. F being humble. I'm just joking. I am, but right, we're all bragging. We're all sending P&Ls. If I reply to Dak right now and I'm like, why did you take this trade? Give me all the reasons. I better know. You better give me an answer. You better back it up. Because I teach you guys how to trade and why the market moves the way that it does. So that we don't be retail. I don't want to hear I drew a trend line. I drew this diamond pattern and diamond patterns break 75% of the way to the upside. and goofy stuff like that. Okay, we're grown. Like, we're trying to make a living. We're trying to become high value men, top 1%. We're trying to buy a Tesla, y'all, one day. I don't want to hear about triangles. Greek surname? Yes, sir, it is. It is, and it's a Catholic name as well. Christ is King, by the way. Never forget it. Christ is King. But no, I'm Middle Eastern. But born and raised in Canada, unfortunately. I was born and raised 5 minutes. The hospital I was born in is 5 minutes away. I haven't left this city my whole life. Freaking nerd. I'm a loser. Anyways, guys, I believe it is time for me to bounce. I gotta go buy a suit. I will keep you guys updated in the VIP Discord as I do. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate y'all. And listen, I worked hard on my outro, so please watch the whole outro. Okay? Guys, one more time, make sure to like the stream if you haven't done so already. If you need an exchange to trade on, my exchange is MEXC. The current VIP code. What did I say it was? I keep forgetting it. 4614. Let's do this one more time and then let's hit the outro. We're gonna do this one more time. We're gonna hit the outro, okay? One more time, we're gonna hit the outro. Love from Canada. Which city? I'm from Toronto. No, I'm not gonna say it. I'm not gonna say it. Maybe you need a learning channel where we put losses and lessons learned. Actually, that's not a bad idea, Matthew. Thank you for that. You know what? Let's do that right now. Let's do that together. Here's our Cry About It channel. All right, guys, I'm gonna sing y'all the code one more time. I'm gonna look right in your eyeballs. I'm gonna look right in your eyeballs. I'm gonna sing y'all the code, and I'm gonna hit. You wish you weren't here. Why? Well, my friend, I hope you find your way wherever you would like. Hope you find wherever you're looking for. If it ain't here, it's probably worse than here, but nonetheless, to each their own. Okay, I'm gonna sing y'all the code one more time, and then I'm gonna hit the outro. Please stay for the outro because I worked hard on it and I'm proud of it. Okay, I'll keep you guys updated in the Discord, man. Thank you guys for tuning in with me every day. Thank you guys for tuning in with me today. And VIP code time. Ready? Hold on. Let me pull up my lyrics. I need to get my lyrics. And then we're gonna hit the outro. You guys ready for this? All right. How did it go again? Oh yeah, they say I have free VIP. You join by sending the code. It's a code that no one knows. Oh, just go to the Discord. DM the bot 4614. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Peace.
Set my heart on fire.